we call Jerry and Mr.plumber?
Hello, mister. Can you please unplug my landman?
Okay, so these are the 2 steps. No, don't do that. Cheese for sale. Come get your free cheese.
Hello, mister.
Do you want the free cheese?
Yeah.
Your free cheese. You have to sniff it first.
This is very good.
You dumbass. You big giant dumbass. Let's see how much you'll sell. Oh my god, you a little cheap man, you bloody dumbass. Free water. Come get your free water. You want a free water?
Free water.
Yeah, your free water. So all you need to do
I cannot reach it.
Oh fuck, I just put my plunger in. This water tastes So get
give me your
plunger and then just scoop it up. Dig it up.
Okay.
All you need to do. You dumbass. Free research points. Come get your free research points. Over here.
Who said free research point?
I said free research points. Go talk to my manager over there.
Okay. He looks like some guy who escaped the same asylum.
What an absolute idiot. War! I'm the cheese goblin and I'm gonna eat you!
What? Oh no, he's gonna eat me!
Whoa!
Ah! It's the cheese goblin!
Oh!
Yow! Invisible lava! Yow! That hurt pretty badly! Ouchie! Please kill me on it!
I'm gonna go to my cheesy lair! Grrr! Bird, Papa Team! Get your free broccoli.
What to see?
You want my free broccoli? This has been passed down for ancestors.
Just give me it. Just give me it. Uncle. What the hell is he doing? What the hell? Oh no, I'm naughty.
How does this work? Mister, I'm just gonna grab a snack.
Okay.
I'm gonna grab a snack. What the hell going on here? I'm a little
normal day to be alive. My son make me, bro.
It's the end.